All right. Here we go. It smells delicious. All right, kids, what's up? This is Moto Noir. Thank you for watching. Yada 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 yada. Today is Memorial Day, and my goodness, what a absolutely beautiful Memorial Day it is. You can smell the cookouts happening in the air. It smells ridiculously good. I need to freaking wash my bike. I don't know why, but I really dislike talking while I'm at a stoplight. I'd much rather talk or speak while I'm moving. It's far more enjoyable. And plus, people walking into the intersections, they can kind of tell that you're talking, and it makes it kind of weird. How many years of doing this, and I still get a little weirded out by people like looking at me, looking at the camera, and like, why is he talking? What is he doing? So yeah, riding around, you can definitely smell the barbecues in the air. It smells so good. Barbecue smoke. I think I'm picking up whiffs of grilled chicken, some maybe some steaks and burgers. Burgers. When I was a kid, we would Memorial Day was pretty special for the family because had some military members, and my uncle, my father, they were in the military. But yeah, anyway, so we would get together, cook out, we'd swim, we'd play all sorts of games in the pool, including like what is it, pool volleyball. And we were a competitive family, very competitive family. So it wasn't just your regular run-of-the-mill let's play a game in the pool. It was a full-on competition. I miss those days. I miss that sort of thing. I miss hanging out with the family on days like today. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go hang out with my my kind of adopted family. Not really adopted. They just are family. Go hang out with the Dirty Billy guys, and we'll do maybe play some backgammon. We've begun playing backgammon a lot. At first, I thought it was the silliest thing in the world. Just keep moving, people. God, get over. Ah, people. This is not freaking rocket science. Why do you make it so hard? Okay, anyways. I mean, look at this. Just a bunch of dummies. There can't be traffic. I swear to God, there can't be traffic. Everyone's out enjoying themselves. Why can't we all just do the same? All these cars, they want to challenge you, do their thing. It's a police officer. Anyways, what was I doing? What was I saying? Yeah, so I'm gonna go hang out with my boys. Maybe do some light cooking out. We do have a grill over at Dirty Billy, and so probably get some food and just hang out. And how's everybody been? How has everyone been? I wish people left more comments in my videos. I know I don't really ask many questions to get responses from people, but it would be nice. Here I am, pandering for comments. But I have kind of begun thinking recently, like, what do I want this channel to be? Is it just going to continue kind of like the way it has been for many years? Is just kind of this, which is just me talking, kind of quasi-complaining about life and my days, and being overly, I think I overly share sometimes, I guess, about thoughts and opinions and things that are going on in my life. I really don't need to share too much. But I kind of like when vlogs or when people get personal with things. And I feel like you connect more with people when they're more personal. And they share their life's journey. And I kind of like to, you know, eventually one day I'd like to look back on all this and be able to go, oh yeah, that crazy shit happened. You know, like, because this day you never get it back, but I'll be able to look back on it in some weird sort of way and remember it. Oh, great. Silly traffic. Silly, silly, silly. A lot more traffic than I was expecting on Memorial Day weekend. I guess it is still Saturday. Saturday in New York City. Alright, I guess we'll swing over here. And begin the lane splitting. Got open lanes of traffic, and no we don't. I was gonna complain again about all the traffic, but I see it's just carrying on. Just carrying on. Oh man, it really is quite a beautiful day. Not bad. Not bad by any standards. Sorry, I get quiet when I'm lane splitting, because I do concentrate. You're always looking around, you know, trying to figure out what's going on around you. Now, you guys know. You guys get it. I don't need to explain it to you. Look at that beautiful, beautiful city. That beautiful skyline. Jeez. I do still pinch myself. I do still find it amazing that we build these things and that I live here. I guess I could go local, but this seems to be moving somewhat. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Maybe one day when we're all feeling good and lucky, I'll make a video where I don't have to lane split for hours upon hours. Lane splitting videos get old very quickly. What are you doing, dude? You're not getting over anytime soon. There's a fellow motorcyclist. Saw him a ways back. What is that? Can't tell. Don't really hear him. Electric bike? It looks like it has some sort of exhaust, but I can't tell. Aprilia. Okay. Go. It's an Aprilia naked bike. Very quiet Aprilia. Apparently he did not get the message that loud pipes save lives. Look around. Cool. And that's how you get ahead in life, kids. Split lanes. What are you doing? You're just causing traffic. That's all you're doing. Alright, kids, thank you for watching. If you've watched this far, you are a special breed. You're a special breed of human. Funny thing is that I know my friends, they don't watch. They do not watch, I know that for a fact. Alright, looks like the cookout's getting not started. Let's see what's going on. Alright, kids, love you guys. See you in the next one.